Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wofre me adwoa sechi.
Say asem we die yente ho mpanyinsɛm kora wɔ Ghana ha sɛ bi da. Asem we yente ho mpanyinsɛm etetere kom ba ye kora no abusua teacher training for yanka ɛyɛ saa asem we ankyerɛ wɔ mu. Etetere kom ba ye even ɛyɛ during ɛyɛ hardships aba ɛyɛ Ghana enso saa asem we yanka bi ankyerɛ ɛyɛ teacher training for. Abusia ede na meka ho asem John Mahama ene na aban ni education ministry ka kire eye teacher trainees say ontimi fidi wo mo eye 3 square meals a day or say wakosora eye once a day abusia tieni o John Mahama ene ne nkro ne ba ni education eye minister ena eka kire eye teacher trainings for say abusia ontimi mfa omoyam kom ewo eye Ghana ha sei enu nti say we eye student na se wadwene ne se obekọ eye teacher training na John Mahama ba bebo ho bra o ba be fa wo yam kom a John Mahama say yen kan kire wo say dwene ho tutu abusia ena me hyase me kan ne se we ebi si da ewo eye Ghana ha sei ebi si da it is only eye John Mahama abusia enso ye benya eye NDC fo ama omaba comment section abusia aba be kan kire ye se aban papa aba be kan kire ye se de John Mahama eye no omofo aso they are forgetting say aban bi ba Ghana ha say ya amanfo edi omoma ebegu wo so abusia for 8 years abusia dani de nyina na ye hwe wo ma ye tua wo ma school fees ye ma wo ma aduane 3 times a day abusia enso enkrofu bi mu ba be ka kire ye say aban papa kill you there. Me say gold board ne die agese sami jamfi any NDC for de ahoma eso omo a omototo gold no ekon ansana these people will come and register with them. Let us not forget before the creation of the gold board no these people were buying gold and exporting and making huge sums of money. Enunti say wo di bibi aba and it is going to take away their business. Abusia, does it make sense? It doesn't make sense to them. Omo to gold no omo ko outside ekoton enya sika huge sums of money. Right now that gold is on the ascendancy on the international market no san krofoi ehwe gold wa amount for ediko and the amount of money that they are making out of it. Then ukachira omo say omo mra mesha wase sene ebeya wo beto omo gold on the Ghanaian market at a cheaper rate. Then now wo wakwa koton ewo abrochire on a higher rate. Abusia, it doesn't make sense to omo to gold no omo koton. Enunti day in day out you will extend the olive branch to them for them to come and register under you, but omoshe the business aspect of the buying and selling of the gold abusia, it doesn't make sense to them. And until recently Sami Jamfi any gold board almost extended the deadline for people to come and register under them. Hey, me say I just say omo de ahoma eso nipa kon, because the buying and trading of gold on the international market is a huge lucrative business. Any private person would not want the government to come and buy their gold cheap and go and sell it on the international market at an expensive rate, even in dollars. Abusia, enunti gold board so if they are able to do it, it will help. But omo to gold no omo to gold no, they don't see the benefit to them. Ube yi omanu aduane afiri ho. Ube yi omanu aduane afiri ho, and then you would come and take their business. Abusia me say ebeye din. And we are seeing some of these challenges day in, day out. People are refusing to register under the gold board. Abusia, Yamin Shira said the Biaubeti and Sempa. Me say, eye for MPP, eye for a year Ghana and Koso, and eye for Dr. Bawumia 2028. Yamin Shira, for when sabo plus sign so, click like and so. Now,
yeah, we're going to. Who now was saying, huh? Who now was saying? What why are you? What why are you? MC Jamna media no Jamna since as an pay. Yeah, you no man, and I see a cancer show and I pay on. Massa make us and back with you, baby. I'll do our no corner. You were Niwati. I'm grown baby, I'll do corner, baby. I'll bet you my corn talk. You were betting no betty. Never baby, I'll bet you my corn talk. I'll get a year out of some corners on a hair, Bema. Hey, on where domo, you catch a man a mountain, where dom. What's it? Where dom, you catch a man a mountain, with a mujimino, with a woman who said, O nice a media, O nice a media, with the 90 and Sana media to you. Left, nah. O 9 times a media. Massa, men for what some folk at the cheers, men for some from so. So when you're booking heart, that's a woo papa. John Bonia Gokra and I Joe Jimmy, Bonia Gokra and I Joe Yere. When I dabba, what it would Jimmy, you know, you're too foul the wound, Jimmy, Fasaco, Brass, one so. One way a domo, where a dom. Once when is when in a son, what's it, when in a son, we see moon out the number my way, last and year for an inch. We see Mr. John home. Why am I dear? Why am I dear? Name say Jama Unkai. Why am I dear? Pain Unkai. If you don't want to me, Jow movie cry. If you don't want me, Jow movie show. What would Jimmy know? So also there no. Yate Obeba. Nuze Bama de Onyamre Obeba. When we dear your coffin quemu, a dear coffin quemu. Kwaku ye 240 o na ja Jimmy no na wunyini wate ise nyame ya wadom wanya mpanfo bi anim adom bra ho asena yedin na taho yedin na taho memfa ho me foro katachi nsem mu memfa ho foro katachi won say odema wo no odema wo san wo ya de o prompt wo bo so wo ya de wo ka jai kwaku jai minim si ye piapian wo se Jimmy na ne de wo timi si samre yo wo de mo ani na ho na de wo Jimmy no e mo ani na ho